camera just stopped working, so we're going to see if we can figure out why. God damn, I need to cut my nails. Be doing that right after the video. I should have done it before the video. Oh man, isn't it funny how we do everything for our kids? Like, that's our reason for being. But no matter how hard you try, it just never seems to work out the way you want. It's fucked. Much like life. Times are different now, I guess, because they're all in their feelings. It's just different when I was a kid. Try not to show feeling. That's my handy dandy ground for all electronics. That's the PS5. We're gonna get onto that next. Hopefully I can fix the solder on that. I'm gonna try. After mouse pad, I gotta fix the mouse pad first. A mouse pad. A mouse pointer? A pointer mouse? Whatever you want to call it. That is a speaker. It's pretty cool because there's the two contacts. So, and then we touch right there and right there. Right there. And right there. And that makes the speaker work. Do we notice anything? For some reason, it turns on, it just won't connect to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Alright. The moment of a truth. Well, it turns on again, so that's good news. Oh, and I heard a click, a shutter, a shutter.
Welcome to Ye Home Camera. Waiting to connect.